Hey guys, welcome to my channel Soumya Tarot. This is a journal reading, so it cannot resonate to everyone. Guys, if you want to your personal reading, because personal reading is paid and accurate 100%, so contact only when you want to personal reading, and my contact are in description box, so you can contact me. So guys, if you are interested in Hindi channel, so then my link for an Hindi reading channel is given in description box. uh, so guys, this is a pick a card reading. Yes, uh, this is a pick a card reading, and this reading is regarding job, career and finances. So guys, it's a timeless reading, so no time foundation are there. Okay, no time foundation are there. Time This is a timeless reading, and you can watch it whenever you feel like. This reading is for all signs. Yes, this reading uh, uh, this reading is for all signs. Okay, so guys, this is a pick a card reading. So here we are having three piles: pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. Pile number 1 is a pink color, and pile number 2 is red color, and pile number 3 is a yellow color. So guys, here we are having three piles. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. So you have to select any one pile, but if you want, then you select any two piles also. Yes, and this reading is regarding job, career and finances. So by this reading you can see how your position in job, career is going to be. So guys, so please select your piles 1, 2 and 3 and watch this reading. Okay, pile number 1 pink color, pile number 2 in red color and pile number 3 this yellow color. Okay guys, so please select your piles, and now I am maintaining silence for some time so that you can concentrate. Okay, so I'm quiet now. I'm quiet. So guys, now you can choose your pile and you can focus for which you are watching this reading. So whether it's a finance, job and career also. So let's start within a pile number 1. Okay, guys, this is a pile number 1. Choose a yellow color leaves, select. So pile, this is a pile number 1 guys. Okay, now pile number 1 card is a Ace of Pentacles. Okay, and the Magician. Okay, Four of Cups. Yes, Four of Cups and the Chariot. The Chariot. Yes. So guys, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Ace of Pentacles, the Magician and Four of Cups and sorry, the Chariot. So pile number 1, your card are positive. If I talk about, then you have put a lot of effort for your career. Yes guys, you have done a great hard work for your career. Yes, great. You want to achieve something, you want growth in your career. Yes guys, your card are indicating that you want some stability or a good job. Yes, if I talk about business, then you want achievement in business, you want to achieve something. If I look toward the positivity of cards, yes, then your cards are very positive guys. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, very positive cards. So it may happen that you get your desired job in upcoming time or desired growth in business and career. Yes, guys, I can see some new opportunity in job, in your career, in your financial growth, stability in business. It is possible that step by step you achieve your desire, your goal, your desired dream. Yes. So, guys, your card are very positive. Yes. Four of Cups. Okay. And the Magician. Mostly card are very positive. So, it's possible that you can get some new good opportunities in job and stability in your business. Yes, guys, you can get some new good opportunities in job and stability in your business, in your career, and your financial growth is a strong day by day. Yes, so your dreams in are fulfilled in upcoming time. So pile number one, this is your card and this is your reading. I hope so enjoy your reading. And guys, this is a journal reading, so please watch it generally. And you if you want a personal reading, so you can contact me, guys. And personal reading is paid, and my number in description box and flash on screen, guys. Choose your pile 2. So guys, this is a red color. Okay, and your card is here. Wheel of Fortune, four of Wands, and Strength. Okay, and 8 of Wands. So for those who have chosen pile 2, so guys, your cards are indicating that you are not satisfied with your job and your business. Your cards are indicating that you want to achieve something great. Yes, you want to achieve something great. Yes, your cards are indicating that you want to achieve something great, good. You have goals in your life. You want some good job, a stable job, so that your financial condition also get strong day by day, because Strength card is here and very positive card. Wheel of Fortune, very positive, and 4 of Wands and 8 of Wands. 4 cards are very positive cards, guys. Pile number 2, yeah. Stable position, very strong position in your life coming days, and strength also. So maybe this time your aim is to get into a good career. It may happen that in upcoming time, guys, maybe 2 or 3 months. Yes, guys, maybe 2 or 3 months, or within no time, very soon. Yes, or within no time, very soon, I can see growth in your career because the strength card is here, guys. Nice card, very nice. You can get good news for your job and career. Yes, guys. Celebration card is here. A new good opportunities and new beginning in your life and your career. Yes, positivity, very positive vibration. Your current position is that you are not satisfied with your job, guys. So, my dear sign, whatever sign you belong from, yes, whatever sign you belong from, your cards are positive. I can see. Yes, guys, I can see some positive change, but you have to be patient because patience in and positivity in thinking can bring about a positive change. Okay? Patience because patience and positive thinking can bring about positive change. So, pile number 2, this is your reading. I hope so resonate your reading. So please subscribe my channel and like and share. And pile number 3, your card is here. Choose a pink color. Pile number 3. Okay. So, wow, the sun. The sun card is a very positive vibration. Oh my god, very nice. The sun card. And King of Pentacles. Justice. Wow. Very nice. Justice. Okay. Judgment. 2 card. Justice and judgment. Okay. The sun. Very positive card. Very positive vibration. Pile number 3. Wow. So guys, this is a general reading. So please, what is generally? So now for generally you can so guys, now for those who have selected pile 3. So guys, if you want a personal reading, so you can contact me. Okay, let's start pile number 3. So I can feel that you want to be change your job. It may happen that this time you are jobless, guys. Sorry guys, but your card are indicating that time you are a jobless. Yes, jobless. Sorry guys, but your cards are indicating lot of struggle. It may happen that this time you are not financially strong or in past. So guys, if I see your cards for the current time, then I can say that your cards are very positive. Sun, judgments, and justice, King of Pentacles, very positive card is here in front of me. Your upcoming time is very nice, guys. Your upcoming time is very nice, very positive. Your struggle time have been over. Yes guys, your struggle time is have been over. A bad cycle of your life have been finished. Now you are entered. Yes guys, you are entered into a good cycle. Now you can yourself feel step by step a sudden change in your life. Yes guys, step by step, but step by step a sudden change in your life. Step by step, your life will move forward. Yes, guys, I can see very good vibration, very positivity. I can see. We are now opportunities and success waiting for you. You have to be patient and maintain positivity. Yes, you have to be patient and maintain positivity. There will be change in your life and your dreams will get fulfilled, guys. Yes, your future is very positive and bright. So, guys, this is your reading file number 3. So please subscribe my channel, like and share, guys. And if you want personal reading, because personal reading is accurate 100%, so you can so guys, for my WhatsApp number and my mail ID in description box. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.